All right, well, I know a lot of us just want to be done with it already, but snow just keeps on falling here across the UP, and we'll be expecting more as we head into tonight and maybe a little head into tomorrow afternoon. But here's a look at some of the totals from yesterday and this morning. Kearney at 5 inches, Manistee at 4.1. 4.9 as you head into Negaunee, almost at 5 there, and Escanaba right around 3. Now, we're still seeing snowfall, so those numbers could go up as we go throughout the remainder of the evening. But here's a look at our current satellite and radar. You'll notice that showers are off to our south. A lot of rain as you go farther into Illinois. But for us here into the UP, mostly rain showers as you go a little farther south. More that pink and purple showing up. That is a mixture between the rain and the snow. Temperatures haven't been too bad for us. We've seen them around the upper 20s and the lower 30s, and that's where we are currently here in Marquette at 32 degrees with the snow falling. Winds only around 6 miles per hour. Lower 30s in Marquette as you head farther off to the west. Well, here are your numbers right here. 31 in Ontonagon, 30 degrees in Ironwood, middle 30s in Florence, and down in Menominee. Eastward, numbers in the lower 30s in Munising and Manistee at 31 in St. Ignace, 34 currently in Escanaba, and Ishpeming sitting at 32. Our winds coming in from the northeast at 6 in Houghton, 3 in Iron Mountain, and 8 in Escanaba, and 10 currently in Munising. And looking across the state, you'll see 30s across the UP, even above freezing in some locations, and also seeing more of the same numbers as high as 56 degrees down in Detroit. But we do have the cool air mass in place, and we are beginning to cool off from yesterday, at least here in Ironwood at 4 degrees cooler, but warmer air mass in place in Marquette and in Iron Mountain. But as we take a look at our wind chills, seeing them more into the 20s at 26 in Marquette, 32 in Iron Mountain, and at 27 in Escanaba. Now, later on into the week, much colder air will be on its way in as the system will finally get its way out of here, and we'll see that highs will drop back down into the 20s with overnight lows expected back into those lower teens and single digits. Now, here's a look at our forecast as we head into the evening. Scattered snow showers will continue. Spotty snow as we head into the afternoon on Thursday. Not quite as heavy for us, maybe an inch or two, but mostly just spotty on and off snow showers before we heading back into tomorrow night. A colder wave of air is on its way in, and along with it will be more snowfall. Now, we do have a winter weather advisory that's still in effect for these counties, and this will be until 8 p.m. this evening. Probably another 1 to 3 inches with the snow that is currently falling for us. But looking at your setup, you'll notice right here that the cool air, it is in place, and that is what's produced all the snowfall for us. Tomorrow, the system should begin to lift off towards the north and to the east. On the backside will be that colder air that starts to slip its way back into the eastern third of the nation. And looking at this on your Futurecast model, tonight noticing a bit of a decrease in our snow activity, and then on into tomorrow, seeing that completely gone for us by tomorrow evening. Now, here we come getting closer to tomorrow night and going on into Friday. There's that next wave of colder air, and also our next system, which will bring us the snow that will move through the area and really start to cool us down back into the 20s for highs, and we'll see that not only for Friday, but even as we head into Saturday. Additional snowfall, this is what we're expecting by tomorrow evening, 3 to 6 inches as you head farther off towards the east, as we'll get probably some lake enhancement off of Lake Superior, but 1 to 3 as you go farther off to the south and to the east. Tonight, 25 degrees for your overnight low. Chilly with snow showers, winds out of the north between 10 to 15 miles per hour. A slight chance of snow as we head on into tomorrow afternoon. Highs in the lower 30s in Lawrence at 32, 35 in Ontonagon, actually getting above freezing in Florence and in Iron Mountain, both at 40 degrees. Upper 30s in Escanaba and Manistee, and at 32 in Munising. Your forecast over the next 7 days, 30s as we head into Thursday, 20s only as we head into Friday, and barely getting into the 20s by our Saturday, up to 22 degrees. Now, our low that morning will be at 9, so definitely have that coat ready before you head outdoors. Sunday, topping off at 35, seeing more of that rebound as we head into Monday before it looks like more chances of snow arrive for us by next Tuesday and Wednesday.